Welcome to our channel. If you want to share contact information from your TSA PreCheck account with your Apple Watch or sync contacts for easy access, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Understand that TSA PreCheck is a trusted traveler program and doesn't directly store contacts, but you may want to share your known traveler number with contacts in your Apple Watch. Step 2. On your iPhone, open the Contacts app where your contact information is stored. Step 3. Find your own contact card or create a new contact entry for your TSA PreCheck information, including your known traveler number. Step 4. Add your TSA PreCheck known traveler number to your contact information by editing your contact card and adding it in a custom field or notes section. Step 5. Ensure your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone and contacts syncing is enabled. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Step 6. In the Watch app, scroll down to Contacts and tap on it. Step 7. Enable My Card or ensure the contacts you want to access on your watch are included in your synced contacts list. Step 8. Your Apple Watch will automatically sync your contacts, including your TSA PreCheck information. Step 9. To share your TSA PreCheck number with family members who may need it for travel, open your contact card on your iPhone and tap Share Contact. Step 10. Select your sharing methods such as AirDrop, messages, or email to send your contact information, including TSA PreCheck number to others. Step 11. Recipients can save your contact information to their devices for easy access when booking flights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.